have to say, you guys are the absolute best in the entire world. I have the best viewers and subscribers ever. I recently did a video, it was a tag video about the items that I regret not purchasing, and 2 of you have found 2 of the items for me. You guys are amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. I got one in the mail just the other day. I'm dying to open it. Hi Amy, thank you so much. She had this item in her collection and showed me pictures and asked if I would like to purchase it from her, and I said absolutely. So I've never seen it. This is a true unboxing, and we'll see what what it looks like and everything. I cannot even tell you how excited I am to have this piece. And then I have another item coming to me as we speak from Germany that a lovely viewer friend, hi Katja, she found it for me from the store there because it was still available. So yeah, anyway, let's open this one. I'll come back with that one when it comes, but for now I have this box to open. Okay, let's jump in. I've got my little blade. Do you remember when I talked about these touch knives? Best thing ever. I'm sitting outside today because it's so perfect. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. I'd face you the other way, but then you couldn't see me at all because I'd be backflipped. So, and you could see the lovely green. Everything's greening up out there. Ah! She said she had all the original stuff. She showed me the receipt. I'm just so excited. She had the box, everything. All right, and she said she added a couple little doodads in there too, so we'll see. Here it is. I cannot wait. I have wanted this and wanted this forever. Searched and searched and searched. It's available pre-loved on Fashion File, but for way more expensive even than it is new, so I don't know about that. Okay. Opening it. Oh! Note fell out. Okay, opening it up, I have a note. Let's read that real fast. My throat just made a weird noise. Oh. Jen, I truly hope this meets your expectations and you enjoy it for years to come. There's a very small extra in here, a true blast from the past. I was over the moon with joy when I found these little tins of bliss and joy. In friendship, Amy. Amy, you're my new best friend. You are so sweet. Oh my gosh, look, it's in the cute little bag and everything. Okay. Oh my gosh, how sweet is she? Oh. Look. Brock's tiny jelly bird eggs. So cute. I love these. This is a blast from the past for me. Oh, yum. Thank you. And yes! I love this stuff. Vintage moisturizing lip licking lip balm in watermelon. I had about 8 of these when I was growing up. You slide the tin to the side and watermelon's perfect for summer too. Oh my gosh, I'm just over the moon excited for this. Thank you so much, sweetheart. You didn't have to add anything extra. I'm thrilled to have this. So, okay, let's open it. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. All its original stuff. We have the receipt. We have the name of the person that was purchased from, the U.S.A. and where. Nice. Very exciting. Here we are. I'm sure you can guess what it is, especially if you watched my video and you saw the items that I wish I had purchased at the time I could. You'll know what this is. The Toiletry 26 in monogram. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious sakes alive. I am so excited. Thank you, Amy. Oh my gosh. It's absolutely pristine. Pristine perfection. Oh my gosh. No odor. She said it was from a very, non-smoking, very careful home. This is Louis Vuitton made in Spain. Look at this. Like, there's almost no patina whatsoever. Beautiful. I am so happy. I now have this in my collection. I didn't have to pay over the moon for it. So thrilled. So thrilled. Thank you so much, Amy, for allowing me to purchase this from you. I will think of you every single time I use it forever, and your kindness is unbelievable. Thank you to all of you who've offered to find things for me after that video. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And like I said, I have another item coming to me from Germany. It's on its way right now, and I will unbox that for you guys too as soon as I get that. So all the love in the world to all of you who've been so helpful in trying to help me find the things that I'm missing. And a special thank you and special love goes out to Amy. Thank you so much. Bye.